y'all, it's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to bleach knots on your lace front wigs, your frontals, and your closures. So if y'all are interested in seeing that, please continue watching. But first, before I show you guys that, I wanted to share with you guys this hair that I'm using for the video. So this is the wig. The wig is from Alipearl Hair. This is it in its natural texture. All I've done to it was just bleach the knots and washed it. So this is how it looks just by like sitting it overnight to dry. I haven't put any heat on it or anything. And so this is just how it looks. It's really pretty. So I wanted to show you guys really quick how it came packaged. This is how the box looks whenever you get it, and this is how the wig is packaged inside. And whenever they send it to you, they send you a lot of goodies as well. And so here is the wig, and this is what the wig looks straight out of the box. Here you can see close-up of the texture. It's really pretty, and you can even see from the video like the hair looks so soft because it is really soft. Okay, so inside the wig there are 2 combs on each side, and then there is a comb in the back as well as lace in the back, and then the lace in the front goes from ear to ear. And the cap, I'm just showing here that it's really stretchy, which I always look for in wigs. And then just here's a close-up of the texture of the hair. Okay, so I just wanted to share with y'all and just show y'all the texture of the hair. As you can see, it's got like a nice loose wave, and this hair is so soft, like baby soft. It's so soft. But yeah, I just wanted to show you how like the texture of the hair looks before I wash it, because usually when you wash the hair the texture changes. So I'm not sure if it's gonna change, but it's really soft and I think it's really cute, and it's a nice length. I feel like I always get like much longer wigs, so I think this is a cute length on me. But yeah, obviously I haven't cut the lace or anything like that yet, but I just wanted to share that with you guys. So here is the lace up close. As you can see, there's a lot of little tiny black dots, and that's what we're gonna fix on this wig. Once you bleach those knots, it's gonna look much more natural, because it's just not a good look, all those little black dots. So that's why we're gonna go ahead and bleach it, so the black dots will turn to brownish dots and it will look like your scalp. So this is the bleaching powder that I'm gonna be using. This is Quick White, and I got this from Sally's. And then this is the developer I'm going to be using as well. It's a 30 volume developer, and I got that from Sally's as well. Okay, so this is my bleaching powder. This is a 1.5 cups in my mixing bowl. And so then after I add that, then I'll go ahead and add my developer. And I'll add this little by little. You don't want to put too much because you want this to be thick. So you'll just start by putting a little bit at a time and mixing it. As you can see, it looks like it might not have been enough developer, but you have to take your time and just keep mixing and mixing and mixing, and it will form like a paste. So I'll just keep mixing here, and then I will see once it's all mixed well if I need to add more powder or if I need to add more developer, because you want this to be a thick paste, so that way whenever you apply it to the lace, it's not watery or runny, so it doesn't like go through the lace and get on the hair, which is a mistake that you don't want to make, and try to avoid it if possible. See, now as you can see that it blended well when it did look dry at first, so you don't want to like use too much developer. And see here, it looks good. I think I'm going to add a little bit more powder because I want to make sure it's nice and thick. So that's how it's looking, and I'm going to add a little bit more powder. Okay, and so I'm going to add that, and then I'm just going to go ahead and mix that in. Okay, once it's all mixed in, this is the consistency and texture I'm looking for. It's really thick, and when I lift it up, it sticks to the brush. So next I'm going to go ahead and take my wig, turn it inside out on my mannequin head, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply the bleach. And when I apply this, or when you apply this, make sure you use a light hand. You know, don't push down, don't like brush it in really hard, just gently, softly, easily, like brush it just to make sure that it's all covered. and good to go. So after 20 minutes, this is how it looks, and I'm ready to wash it out. And so the shampoo I'm using is Shimmer Light Shampoo. You can just get this at your local beauty supply store, and this is good to help remove the brassiness from like your hair after you bleach your hair, so it's not like super orangey. It'll kind of get rid of that color. So I'm going to go ahead and first rinse all of the bleach off of the hair, and then after it's all rinsed out, then I'm going to go ahead. Oh, first look at this scalp. Look at it. It looks like a scalp. Okay, you can see here that you can't see the black dots anymore, and parting it all around, it looks like a scalp. It looks like your natural skin tone. It looks so natural, and you can also see that I didn't get any bleach on the hair, which is the point. You don't want to get the bleach too thin to where it gets on the hair. So it's like the perfect consistency, and you will get the perfect bleached knots. Okay, so to wash the hair, I'm going to take that Shimmer Light shampoo, and I'm going to just concentrate it on the lace. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure that the lace is completely covered, and I'm going to let it sit for about 5 minutes with this shampoo on it, so it can really do its magic and work. So after the 5 minutes, I'll go ahead and rinse it out, and then I will also condition the hair. So then next, this is how it looks. I'm just showing you again how good it looks. It literally looks like a scalp. Like, you can't see, once you part it just like this, you can't see the black knots anymore. It looks so good. Okay, so this is the wig after I bleached the knots. The part looks really natural, and there's no makeup or anything on my part. That's just how it looks after I bleached the knots. So it looks really good. And this hair is really soft, you guys. I'll leave all of the details of this hair in my description box down below, so y'all check them out. They have great hair and pretty wigs, bundles, frontals, closures, everything. Okay, so I hope you guys found that video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video.